What we wanted for the game is to provide a total freedom of choice. The objective of the Ghost is to destabilize the Santa Blanca cartel, which is one of the most dangerous cartel in the world.
The chain of command that we have gives us the freedom to be able to accomplish missions on our own with our own skill set. They give us the freedom to be able to do things the way we want to. Again, not breaking any morals, ethics, or legal issues. Accomplish the mission and be successful.
You, as a player in this huge open world, you have a total freedom of choice to impact the whole world around you. You can move the way you want. You can engage all the missions in the order you want. And you will be able to drive many types of vehicles, boats, buggies, motorbikes, helicopters, planes. You can lead your team of 4 ghosts, and it's up to you to decide when and how you will give orders to your teammates so that you can perform actions depending on the situation and your tactical choices. You can exploit an extensive set of tools, just like the real Spec Ops on the battlefield. As a player, you will be able to create your own ghosts and to customize it.
Je pense qu'on a réussi à donner aux joueurs un choix très large. Si le joueur décide de s'équiper avec de la grosse armure, du casque lourd, il pourra. Et s'il décide de s'habiller en civil, il s'habillera en civil. Le nouveau Gunsmith, c'est plus d'armes, c'est plus de possibilités, c'est plus d'accessoires, plus de détails aussi. Quand on met toutes ces possibilités bout à bout, en fait, on arrive à des millions et des millions de combinaisons.
The guys that are in the Ghost unit would have the best equipment and be the highly skilled, best trained individuals that you'll ever find.